Hello all, welcome to Mintech Services. In today's session, we are learning what is a keys. What is the use of keys into Power Apps and Dynamics 365 CRM. Keys in Dataverse ensure uniqueness of records by enforcing constraint on one or more columns. Keys, this prevents duplicate and maintain data integrity. So see, once you go to your model driven application or once you open any record or once you go to your URL or in the last you will be find id equals to means id equals to this is a value, this value is a GUID value. So every record is having a unique value, means this values is will be not a duplicate. If you go to your second record, you will be see in the last again there is a different GUID. Okay, so this is a, or once you create any column, then automatically one unique identifier column got created. So let it start from account table. Now go to your columns, or once you open your column, okay, so just filter based on your filter by data type. Now select this as a unique identifier column data type. So you will be see here is your table name account, or here's a name account ID. Data type is a unique identifier. Or once you go to your custom table, Mintech product and columns, and just data types, just sorting your data type, or let it be filter by and unique identifier. So you see here is your table name Mintech product, or here is your schema name MNS underscore Mintech products ID. This data type is a unique identifier, means in your Mintech product every record is having a unique value. So these values are storing inside your this column Mintech products ID. These columns got created automatically, or this data type will be unique identifier, means this is storing a only unique values, not allowing a duplicate value. But what about I have to be add a, I want to be make a duplicate column, means suppose here I am having a two records, or once I open a wood designer. So see here is a product unique code is a 2, product unique code is a 2 only, means product number is a 2. If I am going to create a new record, suppose with name is CNC second machine. Now product case is MIN underscore 004 and Mintech product code is a 2. See, Mintech product code 2 is already in use. Now I am saving this record. So see, it's allowed me to save this record. So I am having a two record. First one is a wood designer, where is a product code is a 2, and second one is a CNC 2 machine, where is a product unique code is a 2. But it's not allowed to add a duplicate value. So you need to make this column as a unique identifier, means you need to add this column as a key. How to make a column key? Now go to your keys, expand your table, now click on key, or now just click on your key. Now I am adding a product uh, product number key. Suppose product number key. Now I am adding a product code product. Here is a product number. Okay, this is a product number, and display name is a product unique code only. Okay, now I'm selecting this product number. Now just click on save. So now it's going to be uh, create a key. Okay, so status is in pending. So it will take some seconds or maybe almost as a 1 minute. So meanwhile we will be learn what is a key. So in Dataverse, every table have the one unique column which is named same as the table name in addition with ID. Suppose if table name is account, then unique column name will be account ID. If table name is min underscore Mintech product, then unique column will be min underscore Mintech product ID. And this unique column is store only unique values, means GUID. So types of key, we have two types of key. First one is primary key, means system, this primary key is system generated column that uniquely identifies every records. And second one is a alternate key, means this keys is a user defined column to enforce uniqueness and enable integration. So means you will be make a any column as a unique column, means this column will not allow to store a duplicate values. So let's see it's completed or not. Hope it will be completed. It's created a duplicate key. Oh, it's failed. It's failed. Product number got